Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to make an origami lovebird. So I'm going to be using a 20 by 20 centimeter square paper, or it could also be used as 6.8 by 6.8 inches. So you're going to fold it, flip it over, and fold it in half diagonally. Okay, and you're going to take this corner and fold it beyond here. And you're going to fold it in half. Make these two little corners touch. Then you're going to take this little corner here and fold it down a bit, just the way you want the beak to be. Open it up, do an inward folding. So you're gonna fold it inward using the creases you just made. Then you're going to take one of the flaps, triangular flaps, which are going to be the wings, and you're going to fold it up. Just make it the way you like it. Do the same, this little flap, just fold it up. And if you would want to, you could also take a pen and draw the eyes and the nose maybe. And you have an origami lovebird.